If monday.com is showing an error and you're using a VPN, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix the issue step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting process, and in many cases, the problem is caused by the VPN itself, not monday.com. So if you want to get back into your workspace quickly, stay with me through the full tutorial. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's start with the quickest and simplest step. First, just refresh the page. Sometimes monday.com may load incorrectly because of a temporary connection issue, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. Click the refresh icon in your browser or use your keyboard shortcut to reload the page, and then check whether monday.com opens properly. If the error is still there, the next step is to disable your VPN completely. A lot of websites and work platforms can block or limit access when they detect VPN traffic, especially if the server IP looks suspicious or shared with too many users. So turn off your VPN app, make sure it is fully disconnected, and then go back to monday.com and refresh the page again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If monday.com still will not load after turning off the VPN, then the issue may be related to the specific VPN server or location you were using. In that case, try switching to a different server or a different country location inside your VPN app. Connect to another server, then retry monday.com and see if the site works better. Some servers get flagged, blocked, or overloaded, so changing locations can solve the issue when one connection fails. It's also a good idea to test monday.com in a clean browser session after making these changes. Close the tab, open a new one, and load the site again. If needed, you can also try a private window, so you're checking the site without old cached data interfering. That can help confirm whether the VPN change fixed the issue, or whether the browser itself needs a fresh reload. So to recap, the fix is really straightforward. First, refresh the page. Second, disable the VPN and refresh monday.com again. Third, if needed, switch to a different VPN server or location and retry. One of these steps usually resolves the monday.com VPN error quickly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.